Okay, let's take a look at this question from the 2012 multiple choice. Okay, so the graph of the function f is shown above. Which of the following statements is false? Okay, so what makes a limit? So if you go to section 4 of your notes on page 15, the definitions of what a limit is are defined, and all they're really saying is that if you go from the left side, the limit has to exist, the right side, the limit has to exist, and the limit from the left and the right have to be equivalent. Okay, so what that means is that you have to decide if the limit from the left exists and if the limit from the right exists, and are they converging to the same point. So, let's go through your answer choices. The limit as x approaches 2. So if we look at 2, does the limit exist? Well, the limit from the left exists, the limit from the right exists, and they're both going to the same value. Okay. What's important to note here is that it doesn't matter that on the actual point, it's not the same thing as the point at which the graphs converge at. Okay, so they don't have to be the same. Okay, let's see B at 3. Okay, yeah, from the left and from the right, and they converge at the same point. And in this one, they actually is the same. The point is where they all converge as well, though that's not necessary. Okay, what about C? Well, if we look at C, then we see that the limit from the left approaches 2, and the limit from the right approaches 4. So because they're not approaching the same value, it does not exist, and this is false, and hence that's our answer. 5 is just like B, and continuity is just essentially, think of it as if you don't have to lift up your pen or pencil, it's continuous. So because I don't ever have to lift up my pencil, E is incorrect as well. So the only one that makes sense is C, and there's your answer. Again, if you're struggling with this question, refer back to section 4, page 15. Hopefully that makes sense. See you on the next video.